Seeing stars up here, and it's awesome and beautiful. The weather's awesome. And the Nissan Outdoor is going to be a great week. This is going to be super fun. Good contest.
Wide range with no control. We don't know what to do. Destroy anything, be satisfied. Free your pent up emotions. Break everything you find. Everything is broken.
Et ben là on est au sommet de l'aiguille du Midi, il fait bien froid, un petit -20 là. Et puis ben on est en train de regarder la goulotte, on va aller se mettre en place, on va redescendre en rappel dedans et puis grimper.
Now use your mind and you're better off. Violence is gone, don't take it back. Kill your angriness, because you're much better off with a consciousness.
We're on Thursday, one day before the end of the Nissan Outdoor Games. And here we're at the top of Levrévent, it's 8:20. And like that, Pitoko, our paraglider, is gonna start and do his onsen on the movie. So let's see the footage.
Storm is gone.